Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, we've been making good profit on the account. Good fucking profit on the account. The account that you're watching is not the only account I've been growing. It's just one of the accounts that I've been showing you. Either ways, I'm about to go somewhere very quickly. Then I'm going to take a trade today. We'll see what the market has for us. So what I do is I scalp the market and I hedge the market also. What is hedging? Hedging is a way to, for example, if I'm buying, the market turns into a sell. My software tells me that, oh, the market is a sell, so I start selling. I make profit to cover losses. It's what your banks do. It's what your hedge funds do. It's what they all do. They don't use stop losses. I don't know why everyone is using stop losses when the banks and the hedge funds are using stop losses. The bank is not going to take $1 million loss. They're going to hedge it out. So why aren't you doing it? It's my secret weapon to compound. And I'm not just randomly buying and randomly selling. I know the trend. I know when exactly to buy, when exactly to sell, when exactly to exit the trade. I'm not in love with the trade. I don't have any emotional attachment to the trade, as you can see, and I've been making good profits from it. I just go with what the market is doing. I'm not trying to beat the market like a dum-dum, trying to beat the market of countries, like a dum-dum. I don't know why there are so many videos like that outside with nothing working. So if you want to test my signals, you can try it out for 3 months for free. Okay, you can message me trial on Telegram, link in the description below. And make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your account with, and you'll be able to take the signals and test it for 3 months. And if you don't have time to take trades, you're busy with school, you're traveling, you have work, you don't have time to take signals, you don't have time to learn, you can message me copy on Telegram. You just take your account and connect it to my account, and whatever profit I make that month, we split it 80% for you, 20% for me. So and it's that easy. Message me copy on Telegram, link in description below. But you have to make sure that you have at least $350. However, you have to make sure that you have at least $350 to $500 in your account, because I'll be taking hedges as an exit strategy, so your trades are risk-free. So whatever profits we make in the market that month, we keep. Every single profit we make, we keep, because we're using hedging as an exit strategy. However, you need to have a minimum account size, $350 to $500 to be able to help your account to be able to hedge in case the market goes against us. I'll be taking swing trades, scalp trades also, and we'll see how the market goes. With that being said, if you want to learn to do what I do, you have time to learn, you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I teach my students with live trades, unlike other people. We'll be taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging trades, and the software that I use for all my trades, as you see in the videos. In fact, every video I show with my charts is my software. It's available on TradingView, MetaTrader. It comes free with the course, okay? Or you can get it separately for TradingView on the website hedgingmastermind.com. Actually, TradingView is the most accurate because they give the best price feeds. So many brokers always have different price feeds, but TradingView is the most accurate. And with that being said, we'll see what the market has for us today. Let me go quickly. I had to go home. I was out somewhere very quickly. I have to quickly drop off home, which is not a bit far, and we'll see what the market has for us today. Is it going to be a system B trade? Is it going to be a system A trade? System A trades are the ones that you've seen with small profits. System B trades are the ones you've seen with big profits. And hedging, we actually started this account with a hedge trade. The first trade we took on the account went against us, and we hedged it out. All recorded, all uploaded in the playlist. $10,000 is also in the description below. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And when you click subscribe, click all the notification bells on so you stay subscribed to watch videos, shorts, live streams, because you never know when valuable content for you might drop. So you want to stay alert for all the content. And make sure you comment also. It helps with the algorithm, it helps with the engagement, and I always reply every single comment. Like, share, and subscribe. And let's see what the market has for today. Maybe I'll take one trade, maybe I'll take two trades, maybe I'll take multiple trades today and report it down straight to you guys. We'll see how it plays out. And it's nice to drive in the McLaren high speed. You can't really go that fast here in Europe. However, it's always fun sometimes on the highway. We'll be right back with when we see what the market has for us today. Hey guys, this is Solomon from Hedging Mastermind. I just have to take this quick system B buy. Let me set my take profits. Boom. Okay. Let me just add a little bit more. I kind of entered in late, So if I just go for about, let me just set that higher because I know it's still gonna go long. I kind of got in late. Yeah, let me just set the quick take profits to exactly what I want. It's because I came on my PC, and I saw it late. I wish I came in earlier. I would have made way more profit, and using that small lot size would have been okay. But I just want to make a little more profit, and yeah, let it not seem like I didn't take advantage of this trade as much as possible. Anyways, this is Solomon from Hedging Mastermind. So what I do is scalp and hedge my account. As you can see, the first trade on this account was a hedge. Hedging is my biggest secret to my biggest weapon in the markets, and what I used to make the most profit. We started this hedge. This was the first video I uploaded on this $10,000 account. We started taking system A trades. As you can see, we took some system B trades, which gives us more profits. I always say system B gives more profits. Even right now, this trade we are taking is a system B trade. Small system A trades, more system A trades, as you can see, then a system B trade. It's what helps me grow my account also. After hedging, system B trades are my next secret weapon. Then system A trades are the ones that give me small, quick profits to continue to put the account and continue to have it to allow it to have growth on your account. If you want to get signals by me for 3 months for free, message me trial on Telegram. You need to be able to at least fund your own account with at least $50. We're moving quick into profit, as you can see. And then message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. Also, we're trying to get the Telegram group to 10 to 15,000 members. Okay, so join the Telegram group, link in description below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And when you do that, click all the notification bells on. If you have any questions or you want something for the video, you want me to make a certain type of video, a certain type of topic on a video, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment on the channel, and it helps with the engagement. Oof, we're moving closer and closer to profit. That is way faster than I expected. I think I just came in the right time to just get quick profits using system B. Let's go. Anyways, like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back once we have moving into more profits in the market. Oh, the first trade has hit that take profits. Should I close the second trade in more profits? As you can see, we made $150 there. Let me just close this. Okay, there you go. $200 in about 3 minutes scalping using system B. I took a little extra off the top because I entered it late. I was trying to make a little bit more profit. I don't even know why I took in. I don't know why I started with a small lot size. But anyways, we made $200 scalping on this market. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course to learn how I did what I did, and get the software also, because the software is the one that gives me all this analysis, tells me when to buy, where to sell. It's the one that showed me this system B trade. It's the one that will show you system A trades, when to buy, when to sell. It will show you alerts on the 5-minute time frame for scalping. It's telling me where exactly to exit my trades, okay, and where exactly to hedge my trades. Hedging is what the banks use. Hedging is what the hedge funds use. Hedging is a way that no matter, even if the market goes against them, they'll always be able to save their funds, not take any losses, and sometimes even make some profits while doing all this. So I share my screen on Zoom while teaching my students while we take live scalp trades, live swing trades, and live hedging. You also get the software for free. It comes to the course. And yeah, you can also meet me in person. I will be doing some live scalp trades, live swing trades, and whatever you want. Anyways, we'll be right back with another scalping video, hedging video, or system A or system B video soon. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells, click all notifications, and put the comments below.